Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys keyboard sound guys, how can we on and how can we use it. Friends, you want to on guys use Samsung phone guys phone keyboard sound, so how can you on today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting how can you on keyboard sound and how to use it. Friends, click on phone sound and vibration, and guys scroll again, and friends you can see phone system sound guys, tap here. Friends, you can see Samsung keyboard sound guys, you can on from here and you can use. So we will on guys phone keyboard. So guys, you when you will click on guys your phone keyboard guys any alphabet, so friends you can use your keyboard sound like that guys. So friends, like the guy we can use guys Samsung phone guys phone keyboard sound. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to on Samsung phone keyboard sound and how can we use it. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.